In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add Stripe payments to your apps. Lovable AI will move from a blank setup to a clean Stripe integration inside your Lovable project. And I'll point out a few best practices along the way so you can ship confidently. Let's dive in. Start by opening Lovable and heading to the project where you want to enable payments. This ensures any changes you make apply to the right app and environment. Once you're in, open the settings area. Think of settings as your project's control center. This is where connections, environment details, and integrations live. From here, go to connectors. Connectors manage how your app talks to external services. Before we bring in Stripe, we want to confirm the foundation is solid. Select Supabase and make sure it's connected to your project. Stripe often works alongside your database and AUth layer to store customers, sessions, and events. So having Supabase properly linked keeps your data flow reliable. If it's already connected, great. No changes needed. If not, complete the connection using your Supabase project details, then come back. Once confirmed, navigate back to the connectors or integrations view. Now it's time to grab your Stripe credentials. Head over to stripe.com and sign in to your dashboard. In the dashboard, open the developer section, then go to API keys. You'll see your publishable key and your secret key. For development, switch to test mode and use the test keys. This keeps real cards out of your workflow and prevents accidental charges. Copy these keys carefully and store them securely, ideally as environment variables. Never commit secret keys to source control or share them in chats or screenshots. Return to Lovable and start the Stripe integration workflow. Lovable will prompt you to set up Stripe. Paste your publishable key where the client needs it and your secret key where the server side requires it. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish connecting. Lovable will validate the credentials and link your app to Stripe. So your checkout flows can create sessions, handle webhooks, and update records through your connected backend. That's it. You opened your project, verified Supabase is connected, secured your Stripe API keys from the developer section, and completed the Stripe integration inside Lovable. From here, you can safely test with Stripe's demo cards in test mode. Then switch to live keys when you're ready to accept real payments. Congratulations! Your app is now set up to take payments quickly and securely.